First quiz, second chapter, relations and functions, exercise 2.3. First question, which of the following relations are functions? Give reasons if it is functions. Determine its domain and range. This is the question. First question, set of 2, 1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 8, 1, next to 11, 14, 1, 17, 1. This is a given relation. See, this relation is a function of not. What is the definition of function is? If all the elements in the domain having unique image, then the relation is called a function. See, what are the elements in domain? In order pair, first elements are domain elements. Okay. Next, images. If order pair of A comma B belongs to F, means a function, then A image is B, otherwise B is the image of A. A image is B, otherwise B is the image of A. See, what are the elements in the domain? The domain elements. The domain elements 2, 5, 8, 14, 17. 2, 5, 8, 14, 17 are having unique image, that is one. All are having unique images. So the given relation is a function. The given relation is a function. This is the answer. You see, in arrow diagram, you see this one. Domain elements are 2, 5, 8, 14, 17. Range element only one we have. For example, if this one you take as A, this one take as B. 2 is related with 1, 3, 5 related with 1, 8 related with 1, 14 related with 1, 17 related with 1. See, 2 having how many images? Only one image, that is 1. 5 image is 1, 8 image is 1, 14 image is 1, 17 image is 1. That means all are having unique image. So it is the function. Understood? So this is the function. Next, coming to second one, set of 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8, 4, 10, 5, 12, 6, 14, 7. This is the given relation. See the relation 2 having only one image, 4 having only one image, 6 also having only one image, 8 also having only one image, 10 also having only one image, 12 also having only one image, 14 also having only one image. That means every element having unique image. So the domain elements. What are the domain elements? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 are having unique images. So the given relation is a function. See, if you see arrow diagram, you see this one. This is the set A, this is the set B. The domain elements are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 12, 14. Okay, 12, 14. Range next to for this one, no, domain and range also is there in question. Domain is equals to set out the first element, that is 2, 5, 8, 14, 17. Next to range is equals to only one element, that is set of 1. So this is the first one solution. Second one is this one is the highly unique images. The range elements you write ones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 is related with 1. Next to 4 with 2, 6 with 3, 8 with 4, 10, 5, 12, 6, 14, 17, 7. So all are having unique images. All are having unique images. So it is the function. Okay. So what is the domain of this function? Domain is the first elements. What are the first elements? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Next to range. Range is equals to second element. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the range. Understood? Domain and range. Once you ask carefully, this is the answer. Okay. Next, third question. Set up order bits 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 5. See, this relation is a function or not? See, one image is 3, one image is 5. That means the domain element 1 having 2 images. So it is not a function. Okay. So it is not a function. The domain, the element in the domain, one having 2 images. What are they? 3 and 5. So the given function, the given relation is not a function. This is the answer. Okay, this is our first question. Next to question number 2. Next, question number 2. Find the domain and range of the following real functions. First question, f of x is equals to modulus of minus modulus of x. F of x is equals to minus modulus of x. See, what is the domain, what is the range? For which values the given function is existing, those values are called domain. Understood? For which value the given function is exist, those values are elements in the domain. Clear? Range. For what we are substituting, the results, that means the f of x values are called range. Already I told. Input is domain, output is the range. I told already. So like that. Saying mod x. Mod x is exist for all the real numbers. Mod x is exist for all the real numbers. So for all x belongs to capital R, modulus of x is exist, and minus of modulus of x also exist, right? So minus modulus of x is exist. That means the domain of f is equals to set of the real numbers, set of all real numbers, capital R. Next to range, you see, range for all x belongs to capital R, modulus of x is greater than 0. Mod x, for example, mod 0, mod 1, mod 2, 2, mod 3, 3, mod 1.5, 1.5. We coming to negatives. Modulus of minus 0.5, 0.5 we are writing. So this is equals to what we are getting? Mod x is always greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equals to 0. Just now you multiply both sides with minus. So minus of modulus of x, it is less than 0. When we are multiplying with minus, the greater than change as less than changing as greater than. So greater than means change as less than. So that means minus modulus of x nothing but f of x. So f of x is less than 0. F of x is less than 0. That means the range of f is equals to less than 0. What are the less than zeros? Minus infinity to 0. Open interval of minus infinity to 0 is the answer. Otherwise, R minus, capital R minus, negative real numbers. That is the range. Understood? What is the domain? All the real numbers. What is the range? Negative real numbers. This is the range. Right? Next to second question. Second question, f of x is equals to square root of 9 minus x square. Square root of 9 minus x square. See, 9 f of x is equal to 9 minus x square under root. So square root exists for which values? The square root is exists for only positive values. What are the positives? 9 minus x square is greater than or equal to 0. F of x is exist. F of x is exist if 9 minus x square is greater than 0. Next, if here you take minus common, x square minus 9 is greater than or equal to 0. Then x square minus 9 is less than or equal to 0. This is x square minus 3 square is less than or equal to 0. Then this is a square minus, it is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b, less than or equal to 0. So what are the x values you see? This one what I am writing, x minus of minus 3 into x minus 3 less than or equal to 0. It is in the form of x minus alpha into x minus beta is greater than or equal to 0. Then x is belongs to closed interval of alpha comma beta. Just remember these work as a formula. Here alpha is equals to minus 3, beta is equals to 3. So x is belongs to minus 3 to 3. It's closed interval. Right? Now What are the x values? X values are input values. Input values are called what? Domain. So domain of f is equals to closed interval of minus 3 comma 3 is the domain. Next to range, we are finding range. Next to these are the domain values. Next to range, you see. So range how we are getting, it depends on the domain. So domain, what we are substituting, based on our substitutions, we are getting the function values, f of x values. Say for example, minus 3 to plus 3 is there. In between one value we have 0. F of 0 is equals to, you find f of 0 is equals to 9 minus 0 square. So 9 minus 0 square is equals to 9 and root 9 is equals to 3. If I substitute f of 3 value, so 9 minus 3 square, so square root, so 9 minus 9 under root, this is equal to 0. If I substitute minus 3, so f of minus 3 is equals to 9 minus 3 whole square under root. This is equal to square root of 9 minus 3 square is equals to 9. So 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Say if you substitute 1, 9 minus 1 square, 9 minus 1, 8. 8 is equals to 2 root 2, square root of 8. 2 root 2 value. Say what is the least value, what is the maximum value? What is the minimum, what is the maximum? You see. Minimum value we are getting 0 when x is plus or minus root 3. So plus or minus 3. When x is plus or minus 3, this function value is equals to 0. When x is equal to 0, then we are getting maximum value, that is 3. So that means the outputs where to where we are getting 0 to 3, including 0 and 3 also. Therefore, the range of f is equals to closed interval of 0 to 3 is the answer. Closed interval of 0 to 3 is the answer. So this one, maybe you understood this one, easy one only. And this is the important question. In competitive also they are asking this question. This is the important one. You practice perfectly, you practice this question. Okay? Next to third question. Next to question number 3. A function f is defined by f of x is equals to 2x minus 5. Write down the values of first one f of 0, second one f of 7, third one f of minus 3. Okay? See, very simple question, just we substitute these values in place of x, we substitute 0. What are we getting? 2 into 0 minus 5. This is 2 into 0, 0 minus 5. 0 minus 5 is equals to minus 5. Which value? F of 0 value is minus 5. Now f of 7, so 2 into 7 minus 5, this is equals to 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5 is 9. So which is f of 7 value is 9. F of minus 3, so 2 into minus 3 minus 5, this is equals to minus 6 minus 5, this is minus 11. F of minus 3 is equals to minus 11. This is the answer, simple one. Next to fourth question. Fourth question. Next to fourth question, you see, the function t, the function small t, which maps temperature in degree Celsius into temperature in degree Fahrenheit, is defined by T of C is equals to 9C by 5 is 32. Next, find first one t of 0, second one t of 28, third one t of minus 10, fourth the value of c when t of c is equals to 212. This is our question. Simple one, you see t of 0, just in place of c you substitute 0. What are you getting? 9 into 0 by 5 plus 32. So this is equal to 0 plus 32. So t of 0 is equals to 30. Okay. Next to t of 28, in place of c you substitute 28. 9 into 28 by 5 plus 30. Here 5 is LCM. 9 into 28. 8 9 8 are 72. 2 7. 2 9 are 18. 18 plus 7 25. So 252 plus 32 into 5. 3 5s are 10. 1 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16. So this is equals to 2. This one 11. 1 2 3 5. 5 divided by 5, which is t of 28 is equals to t of 28 is equals to. Now t of minus 10. So 9 into minus 10 by 2 plus 32. 2 ones are 2 5 times. 9 into minus 5 minus 45 plus 32. This is equals to minus 7, which is t of minus 10. Next, here we are finding c value. They given t of c is equals to 212. What is the t of c? 9c by 5 plus 32 is equals to 212. 9c by 5 is equals to 212 minus 32. 9c by 5 9c by 5 is equals to 0. Next, 180. So c is equals to 180 into 5 by 9. 20 times. C is equals to 20 into 500. C value is 100. This is the fourth question. Simple one. Okay. Next, here you see this is 412. This is 412. Here 5, so 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are 9. This is minus 18. 32 minus 18 is minus 14. These two corrections is remaining here. Correct. Okay. This is our answer. Next, see the solutions. These solutions I will send in WhatsApp group. PDF I will send it. I will send the PDF. Just I am sending only solutions. Question you write from the textbook. Otherwise, in first page I will send the exercise also. First I will send that exercise questions. Next to solutions. You write the question and solution. Question and solution. Complete you write. Okay. So in this exercise, in the chapter, last question, fifth one, the range of the following functions. Find the range of the following functions. First one, f of x. F of x is equals to 2 minus 3x. 2 minus 3x comma x belongs to r comma x greater than 0. Let us use one second one, third one. First one solution we need to find it. What we are finding? The range. That means f of x values. F of x values we are finding. How we are finding? Based on the x. That means domain. X nothing but domain. F of x is range. X is domain. F of x is range. So what is the x? Here x is greater than 0. X greater than 0 they given. That implies you multiply both sides with 3, then what we are getting? 3x. 3x is greater than 3 into 0, 0. Just now you multiply with minus. So then what we are getting? Minus 3x greater than change I is less than. Greater than changing I is less than. Next you add both sides with 2. So 2 minus 3x is less than 2 plus 0. I am adding both sides 2. So 2 minus 3x nothing but f of x. So f of x is less than 2 plus 0 is 2. That means f of x value less than of 2. Less than of 2 means minus infinity to 2 is the f of x values. Those values are called what? Range. Therefore, the range of f of x or f is equals to minus infinity to 2 open interval. This is the solution. Next second one. What is the second one? F of x is equal to x square plus 2. X is a real. F of x is equals to x square plus 2. X is a real. That means x is a real number. See, for all x belongs to R, for all the real values, x square is always greater than 0. Correct? All the squares always positive. Minus 2 square, 4, 2 square, 4. So negatives or positives we are getting the square value always positive only. So x square is greater than 0. For these we add both sides 2, then x square plus 2 is greater than 0 plus 2. Greater than or equal to 0. For example, x is equal to 0, what we are getting? 0 square, 0 only. So greater than or equal to 0 plus 2 here. If x square plus 2 nothing but f of x. So f of x is greater than or equal to 2. That means f of x values where what are the f of x values? 2 to next value, that means infinite. 2 to infinite. Therefore the range of f is equals to 2 to infinite. Above 2 values, including 2 also, 2 to infinite. Okay, that is the range. The next last third one. F of x is equal to x. F of x is equal to x. X is real. X is real. X is real. F of x is equal to what? X. X is a real. What is this function? F of x equal to x. It is the identity function. What is the domain of? What is the domain? What is the range of identity function? Domain is equal to real. Range also real. So f of x is equal to x. This x is belongs to capital R. Therefore, the range is equals to the range of f is equals to capital R. This is the solution. Okay, this is our exercise. So all of you prepare this complete chapter within 1 or 2 days. Day after tomorrow I will conduct test on this chapter, complete chapter. Okay, all of you prepare well this chapter, right?